The grass deflector, or guard, attaches to your trimmer shaft near the trimmer head. The grass deflector both helps to prevent grass clippings and debris from being thrown by the trimmer and cuts the trimmer line to the proper length. A broken or missing deflector should always be replaced, both for safety and for optimum engine performance. If the trimmer line is run long, it will slow the engine's RPMs. This causes the engine to run cool, which will cause carbon and tar deposits to form in the combustion chamber and the exhaust. Replacing the grass deflector assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the deflector from the shaft. Now I can install the new deflector. Snap it onto the shaft and align it with the bracket. Now insert the bolt and secure it with the wing nut. And now you can install a new grass deflector assembly on your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up